for 5.
24 hours convenience store.
Okay. Oh, 150.
Welcome to Singapore.
And I have like my protein here.
I got a croissant.
I got this.
I'm gonna go drink soju.
You know that meme that's like 1,000 beers, please.
I don't know what she's talking about actually.
And it's 0 kilos.
What the freak? This girl is gonna hyperventilate when she's in the... I'm gonna have... Can I get a sausage? I really want a gin ramen. Should I have that?
Can you tell me if I got a Red Bull?
Yes.
But I just want a Red Bull.
Can I eat tom yum? It's pretty hot today. Also, look at this freaking XL ramen. I want that. I want. Only for mukbang challengers. But I'm not a mukbang challenger. Look at that.
Yeah, this is what I got. This.
It's gonna vomit in the water.
And I got a Red Bull. Shit, man.
Mine is gonna vomit in the water and it's none of my business. It's gonna vomit in the water. I'm gonna run away and take the bus home.
Do you guys like my hijab?
She was a non-hijabi in the water like 10 times. I had to protect her hair.
But it's cute though.
Beach, beach. Do you like the beach or not?
I love it. Today is extra nice, guys. Nice.
Oh my gosh, it's so deja vu. It's so nice. Like this water is crazy. Like I don't know what it is with the reflection of the light, but it's making the water look so defined and so good. So good. And guess what? This bitch didn't bring her makeup, so I'm doing this alone.
Yeah.
Who do you hate the most in this world?
You can't even see my face.
So
It's okay, don't see my face, lah. I'm so mistaken.
this is like such a good beach day, honestly. Like the sky is so clear and it's like not hot. I feel like the last time when we came here, the heat, it was really dry. So I was not feeling freaky.
Did you see that after the site initiation visit, within 2 weeks, we want to recruit the first patient and start the first visit? This is quite
This is nice. I like it. I like it more than her red. Let me rank on her hair colors. My least favorite was the blonde, actually. It was actually my least favorite. I never liked it when it faded. I never liked it when it ended. So don't ever go blonde ever again. There's no pink. It was not pink. And even pink was the same. What was your promise?
If I get a ticket, I don't need
Go hunt for 4 hours every Sunday. Guys, guess who got our ticket?
I would like to thank my mother, my father.
She said she will love her forever and then she will give us $10 each.
I never say that.
I have it on camera, my darling.
Hey, where's my phone? Give me my phone.
Oh, hello. We watched Moana 2. Review? Rating? Rating?
Blur, 10 out of 10. No, 100 out of 10.
Oh, can you give it an actual rating?
It's out of 10.
Oh, okay, I give it an 8 out of 10. She was like, this stupid uncle. This stupid uncle is ringing this bell for no reason. And he's blind. I don't know, I didn't know.
You solve your constipation.
I don't have constipation. You are the one who has constipation. I just checked this morning. You want to check?
Yeah. I'm going to check for you.
Okay, this is where I leave you. I'm gonna push you to the uncle and say that she said that she's really
stop?
Tell me you wanna be in my freaking vlog. She's gonna perform for you. You know that I just did Mishima. I shower for you. Guys, I will stop making this video.
Why got that shit?
The teeny. Oh,
I'm pretty sure got big shit in my body.
freaky. What's up with her, lah? Freaky girl. What side of TikTok are you on? I want to make the teenies mac and cheese, which is the coil one, because she says that it will get the cheese inside. This is the only creamer they have, bruh.
This is literally stevia. It's sugar. Each part of this they think is dairy.
Sorry. Are you okay? I'm giving up.
Just drink black coffee.
You know how embarrassing it is to do it like this? I only can do it when there's like nobody on the aisle, but I look best in this way. I look really crazy. Hi everyone! This is my haul for my TV package.